Hi, I'm J.R. Dean with Leach Camper Sales, and today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on the 2970 RL Grand Design Imagine. And this camper is fully laminated and has a complete aluminum structure. Now if you look over here, it has a full molded front cap, which is it's a much better system. And then Grand Design on Imagine, they have the largest pass-through storage in the industry, and that's because they lower the I-beam and gain an extra 4 inches. You can see this camper has 2 power awnings with LED lighting. It has a solid steps. It has a gas grill hookup. And this camper is equipped with Arctic insulation, so it has a heated enclosed underbelly and much better insulation. Outside speakers, and you should take a look at the back. It's equipped with a rear ladder, so that tells us that you can walk on that roof and you won't do any damage. Let's step inside. Our entryway has motion sensor light, so you don't have to mess with a light switch. Here's our control panel. So it's nice to have everything in one spot. Power awnings, slide outs, both power awnings. Gas, electric, hot water, exterior lighting, and the inside ceiling light, and then it has all your tank levels. As you come into the main cabin, you'll notice this camper has opposing slides. So that opens up this room tremendously, and lets you have the island. Another popular feature of Imagine is the hutch area. So you get tons of storage up and down. You'll also notice this has a curved ceiling. It gives you a bigger feel. Another popular feature is the pantry, and it also has a motion sensor light. Includes the fireplace, which is an electric heater, trifold couch, so if you have company, there's a place for them to stay, and fully reclining, wall-hugging theater seats with massage and heat. We also have a table and dinette with storage underneath. Now let's go to the bathroom. Very large shower. All Grand Design products have a porcelain toilet. Outstanding storage throughout this whole coach. And then Grand Design, every unit they make has a full queen bed with reading lights, storage underneath. And one thing about Grand Design is their storage in general. You can see around here, and then over behind me, there's a large storage closet with 2 drawers, and throughout the whole coach, lots of storage. So come on in and see us at Leach Camper Sales. We'll help you camp better.